Well, thank you for joining me in Jigsaw Shed. So tonight's video is another quick one as my time in the workshop has been limited. But for this video I have taken another piece of the Spalted Beech log to turn a present for the second teaching assistant in my daughter's class. But this would all have been given to them by now. So as there was a specific design I had in mind with the Dremel, it was best to use a spindle lock to create some equally spaced lines that I can use as a guide. So once I've drawn the lines, just marked either end of where I want the texture to go, and then the center line just made it easier to draw diagonally across because it was two spacings that I was using for that. Now this bit made light work on the grooves that I was adding to the piece, and the conical shape meant that each end of the groove was shallower as the piece didn't dig in. Now if you're interested in this bit or any of the other Dremel bits that has appeared in my videos, do check out the Dremel store Amazon link in the description below. It's an affiliate link and you will help out my channel by using it. So after making the grooves, I then just went over them to make sure they were all of equal depth, and then I also continued to just round over the edges with the same bit. So by using spirits to clean the piece, I'm taking some of the loose sawdust away, but also it allows me to lift some of the fibers, which I can then knock back with sandpaper again to create a more lasting, smooth finish. So for this piece I decided to go for an oil finish, and the oil just changed the color of it a bit more than what the wax did, and I think I did about 4 applications of oil, which led to a really nice more glossy finish. So in between the layers of oil, I was using the Chestnut Products Nye Whip just to knock back any fibers that was raised, but also making sure that the coating of oil is even. So after sanding, I used the engraver to freehand sign the piece, but in hindsight I should have used the stencil. I then used a blue Sharpie to just fill in those lines to make it clearer, and then used standing sealer to seal it before finishing the bottom with a bit of wax.
Well, thank you for joining me in Jigsaw Shed. So there's his second butt vase from the beech log that I had, and again this is a present for one of my daughter's teaching assistants, which should now hopefully have been given by the time this video is out. I really enjoyed making this, especially the grooves with the Dremel, and loving the oil finish on this. It's given it slightly darker look than the wax finish did, and yeah, the spalting is just great in this. I really need to get myself some maker's coins again, as I was not happy really with the freehand engraving there, but it's been signed. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And I will see you next time. Take care.